Hello there, my name's George. I own and operate Coatings by the Bay. We are exclusive to ceramic coatings and we are located centrally between Green Bay and Appleton, right off of 41 in Kaukauna. And I am beyond excited to introduce the 543 promotion. It's going to be a 5-year ceramic coating for the price of a 3-year ceramic coating. So a package that retails for, say, a Corvette at $1,200 normally, that's the 5-year ceramic coating price, is now only $795. So $400 off for a sedan. You save even more with the larger vehicles because we cap out at $895 for this promotion. There's no hidden fees. We didn't sneak anything off the menu. It's still the full 5-year package that you're going to be getting. So that is a full exterior detail, including clay bar. That's a very common question. People love their clay bars. We do clay bar within that detail. You'll get a buffer applied polish, which will add some shine. Then a panel decontamination, so we pull any leftover grease, oil, wax, anything like that off the surface, get rid of my pesky fingerprints, and then we lock in the condition of the paint for 5 years with a ceramic coating. You will see this all covered in depth if you click the button to see the promotion right below this video. It'll jump you down to a packages section, covers absolutely everything, a couple optional upgrades. Another very common question we get is about paint correction. Paint correction is not included, but we explain the process down there. Most of what we deal with here is brand new vehicles, which means we shouldn't be billing everyone for one step of correction. When they don't need it, they just need a polish. So all of our packages include just a polish. Paint correction is never forced. It's not going to be a hidden fee. It's not some way to sneak you up to like $2,000 for your coating. You can walk in the door with your vehicle, spend $795, and go home with a 5-year coating. It's your vehicle, not mine. I just present options to you. Prices for all the optional upgrades and such are listed there. But again, you can walk in the door, spend $795, go home. There's 2 options below the package section that you can either book right now. Say this is something you've been looking at for months. You know you want ceramic coating. You've been waiting for an amazing deal. Hey, it hit. Click that book now button. You can book yourself in, pick a date, get everything squared away without ever having to talk to me, the pesky salesman. Your second option will be to lock this in for later. We are not, it's something I definitely don't believe in, is high pressure. I don't sell on fear of missing out. Like, yes, this is a limited time promotion, but like, my goal is not to make you spend some money you shouldn't be spending, or kind of quick do this without talking to a spouse or coworkers or family or whatever it is to make sure that this is the right decision for you. So you can click that second button and I'll send you an estimate that matches exactly what's on this page, and you'll have something sitting in front of you for 14 days. And again, the promotion may run beyond 14 days, and if it is, and you reach back out and you say, hey, it wasn't quite the right time, right at the end of April, but I'm set now, is that promotion still running? I'll take a look. We get you another estimate sent that'll again be good for 14 days. So take a look at the page. If you have any questions, please text me. I'm quick to answer a text. I would love to help you through the process. My goal is to keep this seamless and easy and a great experience. So text me at 920-659-0023. Again, that's 920-659-0023. If it's a couple in-depth questions, we can schedule a call. That way my full attention's on you and not my cute little 18-month girl running around. I believe very heavily that you should feel like you're the only client we have when we're in a conversation, when you're at the shop, when you're wrapping up and taking it home, when you have a question about how to clean your coating. My goal is to make you feel like a VIP the entire time you're here. So again, check out the 543 promotion. If you have any questions, shoot me a text or fill out that second form, which is just a quote form versus a booking form. We'll connect and see if it's a good fit for you. Have an awesome day.